Welcome to our exciting PBL journey. Over the next couple of weeks, we'll be diving into fascinating topics, developing crucial skills, and working together to create impactful projects. Let's get started. Our project runs from March 17th to 28th, 2025. We have 23 students working in 5 dynamic groups. We'll primarily use Google Meet for our sessions and Google Drive for collaboration. Our main goal is to boost your research, critical thinking, and teamwork abilities. Each group will focus on a unique and relevant theme. Group 1 will explore renewable energy in Thailand. Group 2 will investigate tourism and ecosystems. Group 3 will analyze technology in Thai education. Group 4 will study Thai school food and health. Finally, Group 5 will research the impact of smart devices. Our timeline is structured to help you succeed. March 17th is our project launch. From March 18th to 20th, you'll be in the planning and research phase. Project development takes place from March 21st to 26th. March 27th is for final preparations, and we'll wrap up with Presentations Day on March 28th. Group 1, you'll be focusing on renewable energy in Thailand. Your research will cover solar energy applications, wind power potential, and hydroelectric resources. You'll also compare their costs and environmental benefits to understand their role in Thailand's future. Group 2, your project centers on tourism and environment, specifically in the Phuket region. You'll analyze the impact of tourism on local ecosystems, study tourist statistics and environmental changes, and propose sustainable solutions to balance tourism with conservation. Group 3, you'll be investigating technology and education in Thailand. You'll explore current technology use in schools, its impact on 21st century skills, and analyze its effect on exam performance. You'll even get to develop and use surveys for your research. Group 4, your focus is on Thai school food and health. You'll conduct nutritional analysis of school meals, assess their health impact, study the correlation with exam grades, analyze obesity rates, and ultimately propose recommendations for improvement. Group 5, you'll be diving into smart device research. You'll analyze the impact of smart device use on sleep patterns, psychological well-being, and academic performance. You'll track screen time and propose healthy usage guidelines for students. To help you with your projects, we'll be using Google Meet for our class sessions, Google Drive for easy file sharing, and the Line app for quick communication. Group 3 and 5 will also utilize Google Forms for surveys, and you'll have access to various online research materials. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. We'll have regular class meetings for guidance, and I'll also offer optional check-ins during self-study days. You'll have access to online resources, and I'll be monitoring your progress to ensure you're on the right track. When collecting data, especially through surveys, remember to design clear and simple questions, aim for peer feedback, utilize credible research sources, and explore data analysis tools. Always be mindful of privacy considerations when gathering information. Your final presentations should be 10 to 15 minutes long, followed by a 5-minute Q&A session. Make sure to use visual aids to enhance your presentation, ensure all group members participate actively, and have clear speaking points to convey your findings effectively. Your projects will be assessed based on the quality of your research, your presentation skills, how well your team collaborates, the creativity of your approach, and your ability to manage your time effectively throughout the project. By the end of this PBL experience, you will have enhanced your research skills, improved your presentation abilities, strengthened your teamwork, learned to solve real-world problems, and gained valuable project management experience. I'm excited to see what you all come up with.